let me reveal the truth of the people who want to learn English language. Most of the people who want to learn English language, but they think that we can learn English language with the help of our social media, with the help of the people who are able to speak English language, but they don't practice. They think that we can we can learn English language, we can speak English language without working hard. I mean, they are afraid to work hard. They just watch a lot of videos, but they don't practice, they don't work hard. They think that and we can easily understand and we can easily speak English language. I mean, after some time we will be able to speak English language. They don't work hard. Actually, I just want to say one thing. There are a lot of people who just watch a lot of videos on YouTube, and they just watch and watch and watch reels and videos of English language. Yeah, this person is saying this, how this person has learned English language. They watch a lot of videos, but when it comes to working hard, then they don't work hard, and they are not passionate. They are not so much interested. They don't think to work hard. They want everything, free of cost. They want everything free of cost without working hard. They think that whatever we are willing to get, whatever they want to get, whatever they think that whatever I want to get, I wish I would get it free of cost without working hard. I'm speaking English language, and some of the people may be watching this video, and the people who will be those people who just watch a lot of videos but they don't take action. They think that we can speak English language in this way only. They just watch a lot of videos but they don't practice, and then they just they fill the comment box by saying how I can improve, how I can improve, how I can learn English language. My friend, if you will not practice, so it will never ever be possible that you will be able to speak English language without working hard. It never happens. Each and every individual who wants to learn English language, who wants to speak English language, he or she will have to work. He will have to practice for speaking English language. Right? Get that clear. It is the reality. You don't have any type of magic wand. I also don't have any type of magic wand. We all are the human. We have capability. We have ability to practice. We have ability to work hard. If you don't have passion, if you don't have ambition, if you don't have desire, if you don't have capacity, if you don't have attitude, if you don't have aptitude, so you will have to face problems in your future when you will learn English language, when you will speak English language. Because without passion, without desire, it can be learned, there is no problem, but you will have to be very focused, you will have to be motivated, you will have to be energetic, because so many people who want to learn English language, they get bored while learning English language, because there are a lot of vocabularies, a lot of things to learn. Each and every sentence has their own different rules, but it can be learned, there is no problem. It is not as much easy as you are thinking, right? And I know you are able to speak, you are able to think, you are able to understand some of the things. If you are not able to understand all the things, at least some of the things you are able to understand. So just practice. If you are not able to practice for hours, so don't practice for hours. You can practice for minutes, even 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 10 minutes. It is up to you, right? Don't stop speaking, don't stop learning English language. Okay, it is not so hard, but it is not so easy as well. Just practice and you can speak English language. There are so many people who just get advices by the people, like how did you learn English language, how you did it, how you have learned English language. They just ask this the same question to so many people. So many people they ask. As I am, here in my village, I speak English language, but I don't speak English language at my home in my village so many times. I speak only sometimes when I am with my friends, and they are able to understand some of the things, they are able to speak some of the things, and then they just make me speak, then I speak. Otherwise I don't speak. So they ask me a lot of questions, that how did you learn, please tell me any trick, please tell me this thing, please tell me that thing. How to speak, how to understand English language, how to speak fluently, how to achieve fluency. They just ask me a lot of questions. But there are not a lot of people who ask me. There are a few people who want to learn English language. Even nowadays no one knows about me in my village. I am doing these kind of things. So they ask me, some of the people ask me that how did you learn English language, please tell me, tell me also, so that I could also learn English language, I could also speak English language. So these type of people are everywhere. They just ask us that please tell me this thing, how did you learn, how did you learn. My friend, if you want to learn English language, so just there are a lot of things available on YouTube, on social media. You also can learn. There is no need to get advices by the people. There is no need to get suggestion by the people. You are the best person for you to know what you like, what you don't like. Okay, so just practice and improve your English language. Don't run after the people. Don't ask so many people. Don't ask the same thing to so many people. You are the best person for you. You can learn English language. You can improve. I know my English is not so good because I did not used to speak so much. That is why I am not so fluent at English language. But I am improving nowadays. Every single day I speak English language. Nowadays I'm speaking. And I'm improving, I'm practicing. And there are so many people, there are a lot of people who are recording these type of videos. They practice a lot. You cannot even imagine, hours and hours they practice, and they are able to speak English language fluently. You cannot imagine even how they are practicing. Day and day out they are practicing to become a fluent speaker in English language. And the people who are thinking that we also can speak English language with the help of these type of videos, by watching these type of videos we also can improve our English language. No, it can't be happen. You will have to practice, you will have to take action, you will have to open your mouth to speak. Try to understand. Don't get advices only, that how did you learn, how did you learn. My friend, just practice and you will see the change. If you don't have passion, if you don't have ambition, so just know what is your quality, what is your strength, what you like in English language. What if you really want to learn English language? So my friend, practice matters. Hard work matters. Hard work is the key of success, everyone says, right? And now you will say these type of platitudes you are talking about. See my friend, it is the reality of the world. The person who works hard, he or she must get destination. Must get destination. It is the reality. The person who worked hard, he or she got success. Okay. So if you really want to become a successful person in your life, if you really want to become a fluent speaker in English language, so work hard. Okay, and then you can become a fluent speaker easily. There is no problem, right? And if you want to learn how to speak, how to understand English language, there are a lot of videos on YouTube. There are a lot of videos are available on YouTube. You can learn. There is no problem, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.